Okay, this is a demonstration of a simple Java networking program. Involves a server, which we can boot up here. You can connect weather stations to the server, so as many as you like. I've got 2 instances run here. See the different stations, you can see the different information that they have, and the data that they send across. Obviously, they don't actively send data unless it's requested. So let's do that now. So this is so say there's the farmer, he's on the other end of the server. This is all run over my local network, by the way. But say you've got a farmer, he wants to connect to his server and see his stations. So he shall log in. So you have user 1, 3, log in. See, you can see the login attempt, you can see the login was successful, and he's given a list of stations that he could connect to. So we'll just go for weather station 1, and we shall connect here. And this is what the farmer shall be greeted with. He can connect to the other stations in the field that have in their relative positions. Here it's currently showing temperature against temperature, but when we get a new update of data, you should see temperature against time. There's different modes that you can put it in: light mode, night mode, grey mode. Light mode is obviously my favourite. And you can see trends. So this is all the most recent relevant data. You'll see that update as it comes in. You can see the nitrogen levels, and you see the static information about each weather station. And you can see if the data is constantly increasing, you'll see rising and a green highlight, and if it's decreasing, then you'll see decreasing on these. You watch the data here. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. So you can watch the data here, watch it update. So you can see wind speed versus temperature data. You can see the times. Obviously, on the server side, whoopsie daisy, on the server side, wherever the server is, here it is, you can see the data constantly being sent over on the intervals that we have selected here. There's a multitude of intervals you can choose. You can see all the active weather stations, and yeah, that's really essentially it for the project. It uses multi-threading to have all these different connections. It simply works over the local network, where the stations have random generated data and also static data, and very easily they can be switched between. So you can see here the data constantly updating. All the data that is saved could be saved as an Excel or in a text file, and yeah, you see there's a bit of a, and yeah, it will constantly. Let's just connect. I can't remember which station we connect to. It's weather station 1, and we can connect to weather station 2. You see there's different data for weather station 2. You see the static data updates and the active name updates. And if we switch over to the server, which is here, you can see that we had a change request, and now it's receiving data from weather station 2 at different intervals, which yeah, they're received, change active, weather station 1 to weather station 2, and then you can see all the information being sent over by weather station 2 and its data, which is great, yeah. And you can see the trends shown here, and they'll be constantly feeding in and updating. You see falling when it's on a constant decline, so you can see there, we'll see soil pH. So the soil pH is on a constant decline there, and it also has increase in green as well. Thank you.